Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be creating the letter C, and this is what I am going to be replicating on my hair. So I would make this curve like this and then create, this is going to be slightly curved, and then this side. So we start off by making the C curve. That looks very much like a C, but let's just make it look nicer. Yeah, so make the shape, this shape like this and like this, shape like this and like this. So starting off with this, it looks like the shape of an IUD. So make the IUD shape. You can decide to make the C to be higher up on this side. I am going to make like my little curvy line. And then on this side, complete the curvy line. I hope you can see this. From the top to the bottom, so that I can take it in with this braid and go this way backwards. So let's put this side away until I get here. So I need to ensure that the braid goes up and across.
Te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo, me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo, cuando te toqué, cuando te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo, me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo, cuando te toqué.
So guys, at this point, if you have like a hairstyle where maybe you can let this dangle with beads and you can accessorize it and your C will be obvious here, or you can also like braid it into a hair. Maybe if it's like a ponytail, you can braid it into your ponytail. But if you don't have anywhere to attach the hair to, you can also sew it onto the braid itself, but making sure that it doesn't cover your patterns, your sections, the line top. I'm just going to sew it on top of the C so that don't know, if you have no option, you know what to do, and you're going to try to conceal the thread as much as you can. So, and please be very careful if you're sewing on someone's hair.
Donde te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué, cuando te miro, me siento como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué. Como si estuviera en el cielo. Me siento como si estuviera tocando el cielo. Cuando te toqué.
Let's assume that you are done with your design before your hairstyle. I just covered up the hairstyle so that you can see what it will look like, and then it can give you an inspiration of how you want your style to be. If you had the intention of making ponytail, these designs can actually shift your intention, and you have to make like a hair that falls down. So if you cannot see the end picture before you start, I would advise that you keep your mind open until you are done with the design. Then you can know what looks best for the hairstyle. You might want braids that go this way. Even if it's ponytail, you then pack it up to this side, or you might want to make like a lemonade or whatever. Just be done with your design before you start the general hairstyle. That way you will be safe.